Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've been working on our 2006 Ford F250. Devin is currently putting a 6-inch lift on it, and I just wanted to give you an update. So we have pulled the Pitman arm. This is the factory one right here. This is our new one. There's the nut that came off of it, and that was a pain to get off because we did not, Devin did not have the socket for it at the time. So he used an adjustable wrench, a huge one, to get it off. Then we had some issues getting the Pitman arm off itself. We went and rented a tool from Advanced Auto, and it just didn't work. Then his grandpa gave him one, and it ended up stripping the thread out of the arm. So luckily, Devin had bought one off the Snap-on truck, which is part number PAR1188. 10 seconds. As soon as he got it on there, started drilling, popped right off. No issues. It is a pretty pricey part. I think Devin said it was a little over $300, but was definitely worth it, not having to fiddle with the other stuff, and it just got it done right the first time. I did want to let you know this is a 46mm nut. It was huge. We got this at Northern Tool. The part number is 41143. I want to say it was like $27, $28. Not too bad. The nut, from what Devin was reading, they said that you need to replace it. This is the factory nut. We have a new one coming, but to get everything lined up, we're just going to use that one. So hopefully this helps some of you guys that are getting ready to pull the Pitman arm on what to use and knowing what size you need. If y'all have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Y'all have a great day, and y'all hustle harder.